You don't like PCI compliance? You want to outsource some of the responsibilities of PCI compliance? You need a solution to quickly ensure you meet your bank's PCI deadline? Or you just want to have a best practice, secure solution that drives your business efficiency and protects your brand? SecureCo has the answer. SecureCo is a leading payments and compliance services provider. We have developed a suite of best practice products that takes the headache, the complexity, and the cost out of PCI compliance, payment processing, and data security. Our solutions empower our customers to focus on growing their core businesses, as well as enabling directors and senior execs to relax in the knowledge that their confidential data is secure and their company's precious brand is safe from harm. Our solutions cover all areas of PCI compliance, including payments processing, PCI-compliant hosting services, PCI-compliant data storage, PCI-compliant contact center. No matter what your PCI problem, we have the solution. Our products are available individually, but can also be purchased as a fully integrated suite, which gives you a seamless payments and compliance experience across your entire business. SecureCo's solutions can be implemented quickly and effectively using only one vendor, meaning there's only one support number to call and one bill. SecureCo, the payments and compliance cloud.